In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a BMW 328i. Let's get into it. Now we're going to take the oil filter cap off. You're going to need a 86.5 millimeter oil cup. Put that on, loosen this up. I'll just let some of the oil drain down. And pull that off, set that aside. Using a 17 millimeter wrench, I'm going to take the drain plug out. There may be a little door right here on this vehicle it's missing, so you want to pull that door off. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. Pull the drain plug out. On the drain plug, you want to take the seal off. You want to replace that seal. And put the new seal on. And put this in once that's all drained out. That's drained out. Just take the drain plug. Get that started. And we're going to torque this to 19 foot-pounds. Good. Just take a rag, just wipe off the excess. That's good. And then if your vehicle has the door, you want to close that door. Before we put the filter in, there's still a little bit of residual oil inside there. I'm just going to use a fluid extraction pump. Just remove some of that oil. Sometimes it'll drain down, but this area where the filter goes, there's no drain. So just take out as much oil as you can get. Take the oil filter out of the cap. Just want to grab that, pull that out. And there's some O-rings. I'm going to take a pick, get underneath right there, pull this one off. A new one right here. Just put it on, same way it came off. Right there. Just take a little bit of oil. You can use a little fresh oil or a little residual oil and cover the O-ring. Then we're going to take this O-ring off as well. Just use the pick. Get underneath there. Pull that off. Take the new one. Put that on. And just coat that in oil as well. Take the filter, slide that on. That's good. And we're going to install the filter. I'll just go nice and slow. Make sure the O-ring doesn't pop out. Snug that down. And we're going to torque this to 18 foot-pounds. All right, that's good. And just remove the cup. I'm going to take the oil fill cap off. Flip that up and take a clean funnel. And you're going to use the appropriate type of oil. This is 5W30 synthetic. And this vehicle takes 6.9 quarts of oil. So almost 7 quarts of oil. And this is the last one. So I'm not going to do all of this. About 6.9 quarts. That's good. And take the funnel, put the cap on, and twist it down. Now we're going to start the vehicle to check the oil level. With the car running, we're going to scroll through until we get to the oil, and then push the button on the side, the BC button. Now we're going to wait here. You're going to let the vehicle run. You want to be on a level surface, and it's going to take a little bit. And then after the vehicle is run for maybe 2 or 3 minutes, you can see right there, if you go back to this screen, you can see that the oil's up to the max level, so we're good to go. We can shut the vehicle off.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.